If you're in chronic pain, you're going to want to try this diet. What diet am I speaking of? It's called AIP. Stands for Autoimmune Paleo Diet. Now, why is this diet so significant? Because it eliminates all the foods you may be sensitive to, causing and contributing to your chronic problem. So if you've tried diet after diet after diet, but have never done an autoimmune paleo diet, you're going to want to try this. So what is the autoimmune paleo diet? Basically, really simply, it's only eating meats and vegetables. So you can see here what's allowed on the AIP diet is grass-fed meats, organic meats, vegetables, greens, olive oil, coconut oil, bone broth, collagen, fermented foods, green tea, and a little bit of honey and a little bit of maple syrup. Now, the things you want to avoid on the AIP diet are gluten, grains, beans, dairy, eggs, nuts, seeds, nightshades, which are eggplants, tomatoes, and peppers, and all processed foods. So really simply what you want to do is you want to stick with meats and vegetables. You want to give this diet 6 weeks, and after 6 weeks, then you can start to add things into your diet and lifestyle and see if those things cause sensitivities. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share this with a loved one.